to shave, we need a razor. These razors are mostly used by barbers because they usually need both the hands. Also, the angle of 30 degrees has to be maintained, and we cannot use them till we have a Charlie. However, they are not safe, except this part, the only safety. Accident may happen even by barbers. What if we can control the angle of a razor? And that brought the invention of safety razor. In early 20th century, they became popular for personal grooming. They used blade that was sandwiched between two plates. You can see the red blade that closely cut the hairs without any risk of getting cut. Now imagine if we have a screen through which only hairs can pass through. And on the top, we have a cutter blade like a grass cutter. This will make shaving perfectly safe. Something like this. The hairs can pass through the screen, but not the skin. And from inside, we put the cutter blades that fixes in this bottom screen. The combination of these can make the perfect shaver. This is electric shaver on this principle. Let's open it and understand its working. This is a screen cap that has perforations which are so small that only hairs can pass through. This is rotary multiple blade which has to rotate closely to the inner surface. It fits perfectly inside the perforated disc. This cutter rotates like this with a speed close to screen. Now this has to be done mechanically through a rotating motor. These gears fit into the cutting blade and makes them run around 6000 RPM. First put the perforated screen and then the cutter blades. Put the holder that fixes both in position. Fix the head to the shaver body and lock it. These shaving screens have cushion so that they apply equal and soft pressure on the surface. And that's your shaver. Enjoy and shave anywhere, anywhere.